Hi, it's Shane at Boundary Car Care. Today we've been fitting this KENWOOD DMX9724XDS to a Swift Kon-tiki. This motorhome is a 67 plate and it is based on a Fiat Ducato. This unit has a 10.1 inch floating screen that can be manoeuvred front and back, and we can also move it side to side. It is on a single DIN chassis, so we can put it on a vehicle that has a single DIN slot and you'll still get the floating 10-inch screen. Or it has also got the option to use it as a hideaway unit, and then we can just mount the screen. With this one we've integrated steering wheel controls. Just do the volume, mute button, skip track, backwards and forwards, and then the phone buttons. On this unit we've got a few options for what we can do. If we go on the menu there and show you. So we can do wireless mirroring, FM radio, Bluetooth audio, iPhone connection. On this one, the USBs, we've retained the factory USB port, which is just here. And then you can have AV in, you can also have HDMI, and then we can also use this pitch and roll, which is quite a nice little add-on. So we'll just have a quick look at the Android Auto next. So the Android Auto is wireless on this one. You can use quite a lot of different apps. On this one, with it being a motorhome, the customer is going to be using Sygic. With Sygic they can put in the heights and the weights and the widths and the length of the vehicle. It'll help them navigate. And they can also use apps like Spotify to play the music. They'll work as a full app. And then if they don't use that, they can also use like SoundCloud. I'm not signed in, so that's not going to work. And then you can make phone calls, you can use voice commands. And it'll bring up notifications when you get messages, and then you can read them out, and then you can reply to the messages through voice, and it'll type the message back and then send the message for you, all hands free.